Hello everyone, I'm Elaine. Today I'm going to show you how our 6 successes of digital signage can completely transform your business. Let's start with the smaller options. For elevators or reception decks, our 32-inch and 43-inch models are perfect. They run on RK3288 chips, which means no lag, just a smooth playback. And with a brightness of 350 to 380 nits, they provide greater visibility for smaller spaces without being too harsh on the eyes. Now imagine you are in a busy restaurant. You need something with more impact. That's where our 49-inch and 55-inch range comes in. The real standout is the 55-inch 4K version. It's got 10-point IR touch and a powerful 800 nits of brightness. It's perfect for digital menus or wayfinding. Finally, for those flagship stores, our 65-inch 4K digital signage is a total beast. With 1.07 billion colors, it makes your products look so real, customers might actually want to reach out and touch them. Keep in mind, we are not a trader. We are an original OEM factory. Whether you need the standard Android OS or you want to upgrade the RAM to 4GB, we can handle all the technical specs. We've got the experience to bring your version to life.